The fun, the thrill, the excitement. From the urban landscape of Manila to the primeval charms of Nueva Vizcaya and Quirino. From rustic Pampanga and Bulacan to the mountains and valleys of the Cordilleras. From historic Ilocos to the indigenous peoples of the mountains. It's anything and everything that can be swept along a single trail of discovery. The North Luzon Loop. Let's start our North Luzon Loop in Manila. And like the good tourists that we are, the San Agustin Church and the Manila Cathedral are a must. Together with Fort Santiago and Casa Manila, they form a mini loop of discovery of their own. Leaving Manila via the North Diversion Road, we proceed northward to Bulacan, passing by Malolos and the Barasoain Church, and stop at San Miguel de Mayumo. San Miguel de Mayumo is located in the northernmost part of Bulacan. It is in one of the caverns in this rugged area of San Miguel that we find a memory of the past, the caves of Biak na Bato inside Biak na Bato Park. Continuing northward, we come upon Pampanga, best known for its cooking. We can make this part a food trip. Just stopping at any roadside carinderia can uncover a gastronomic marvel. From the simple rellenong bangus and bulalo to the exotic kamaru or locust, as well as the batute or stuffed frog. Of course, for the best sisig, one must go to Angeles sa may Riles ng Tren. In Magalang, one can find the traditional Pampango dessert plantanilla, as well as pastillas de leche, made from fresh Carabao's milk. The halo-halo in Arayat is also served with fresh Carabao's milk. And in Mexico, a touch of the sweet and the religious, the famous San Nicolas cookies, stamped with a folksy image of the beloved saint. From Pampanga, we make a detour to Zambales, famous for Subic Bay and its beaches. San Antonio and the Capones Island, where a graceful 18th century lighthouse still stands. To get to the Pinatubo Caldera, one starts at Santa Juliana in Capas, Tarlac, and go via 4x4, crossing wide flatlands of Lahar, the remains of what was once a great river, and hilly terrains and sudden cliffs of Lahar, reminding the visitors what came before. Then it's a hike to a narrow trail at the end of which are the turquoise waters of Pinatubo Crater Lake. Then we're off to Pangasinan,